Hi, I'm Simi. I'm 51 years old and a fitness professional. I've been in the fitness industry since the past decade, and I started off as a group exercise instructor and a personal trainer. So in today's segment, I'm going to share with you my top 10 favorite tips on beauty. Number 1, my favorite is, of course, fitness. Anything and everything to do with exercise. I cannot emphasize enough the importance and benefits that exercise will have on you psychologically and physiologically, and all of that radiates onto your skin. When it comes to fitness, happy hormones are released during exercise, and those are dopamine and endorphins. Now these give a flush to the body. They help to cleanse out the skin when you sweat, or even if you don't sweat that much. The high that you get during a fitness and exercise workout helps to bring about a natural glow to you, makes you feel good and happy about yourself, and that is always a plus when it comes to beauty. Moving on to tip number 2, facial icing. Facial icing involves the application of ice cubes over the face. Now, the best way to apply ice cubes is to have them over a piece of cloth and then applied to the face, and not do it directly onto the skin. The benefits include that it helps to tighten the pores, reduces inflammation, and though it is a fleeting treatment, the fact is that it does help to make you feel good about yourself. Your skin feels nice and taut, and it helps to reduce stress as well. Tip number 3 is the application of sunscreen, which protects you from UVA and UVB. Now, the importance of sunscreen is that it should be applied not only outdoors to protect you against the harmful rays of the sun, but also from blue light, which we are exposed to when we use our laptops and our cell phones. So, apply it at least twice a day before going out, and even if you are indoors. Tip number 4, moisturization, and I cannot emphasize enough the importance of moisturization. Depending upon your skin type, you can choose various moisturizers which are available nowadays for every kind of skin type or any other problems associated with it. If you're consulting a dermatologist, it's always best to use the ones that they are prescribing for you. There are lots of other good products like the Clinique Moisture Surge, which you can use during day wear. Moisturizers help you in keeping your skin supple and soft, and also prevent against premature aging. Alright, moving on to tip number 5, nighttime skin routine. Now this is something that I have been practicing for as long as I can remember. Even when I did not have makeup on my face, and that was when I was much younger, I would always clean my face at night before going to bed. It was a ritual which I simply and absolutely love doing, and I still do to this day and age. I make sure that I clean my skin with a good face wash. There are some amazing products like Arcelia out there as well, which are so good for your skin. And after that, I apply the night serum, and then I finish it off with the application of Estee Lauder's Revitalizing Supreme. So including a nighttime skincare routine to your daily beauty regimen is very important, along with having a good sleep. So when you put both of these together, you're going to definitely wake up feeling much more refreshed and feeling very beautiful, and your skin is going to thank you for it decades ahead. Tip number 6, less is more. Now, this basically means that though there are so many products out there in the market, you really do not have to go on and try each and every one of them. Well, of course, before you settle down to one that works for you, you might want to select amongst those ones, but do remember that you do not have to apply too many products upon your face to get the desired results. So find a routine that works for you, keep it simple, keep it basic, make sure that it's bespoke for your requirement. Alright? Tip number 7, consistency. Now, just like your fitness routine, your beauty routine should also have consistency included into it. Remember that it's not going to show results in just a few weeks or maybe a few months, but it can take years before it starts to show the benefits, just like exercise. And also remember that you have to be very patient during this process as well. Also, that as we keep on growing with age, a lot of changes do come into us, to our body as well. And all of those changes do tend to reflect upon our skin. So there might be times where you feel that a certain product that you had been using previously was not benefiting you anymore, so there could be a change. And the same thing happens in fitness as well. You reach a plateau and you feel that a routine that you have been following does not benefit you anymore, and the same can be applied to your skin routine as well. So maybe you might need to change a product and see what works for you from there onwards. But remember, be consistent in your routine. Tip number 8, hair care. So one of the greatest tips that have been passed down from the generations, especially in our Indian culture, is the head massage, which we refer to as the champi malish. We all know that a good head massage helps in blood circulation and in providing that to the follicles, which helps in hair growth and giving it a nice, lush, soft texture. But getting a head massage from someone that you love, like your mom or your grandma, or maybe even your sister, helps in releasing the happy hormone oxytocin. Now, when that happens, you start to feel really good and a sense of calmness comes over you, so it helps in reducing stress. There's one product that I would recommend for a good head massage, then that is the Plum Onion and Bhringraj Hair Growth Oil. Tip number 9, beautiful inside and out. We are a product of our genes and our lifestyle. Everything that we are exposed to in the environment affects us greatly, and that is called epigenetics. It is not simply what you apply on your face that will help you in bringing out the beauty of your skin, but it is also what you consume within. Your diet, the supplements which you take, the amount of water that you consume, the amount of electrolytes that you are taking into the body, all of these make a very important impact upon the condition of your skin and its health. So if we talk about the happy hormones, serotonin is the one which is produced in the gut. Let's just say that 70% of serotonin is produced in the gut, and that is a major contributor to your overall health. So a happy gut also means an overall happy person, which means that your skin will also reflect that. Everything that you eat, everything that you consume on a regular basis over a period of time is going to start and reflect upon your skin. So make sure that you are eating healthy and wisely as well. Going on crash diets is going to impact your skin adversely. So eat well, do not skip your meals, and plan them out throughout the day so that you get the best out of them. And finally, coming down to our last tip, tip number 10 is having a good red lipstick. My favorite one is from MAC called Ruby Woo, and believe me, nothing glows me up better than a good shade of red. It simply and absolutely brings that pop of color to your face. So guys, that's a wrap for this particular segment of the 10 beauty tips that I would like to share with all of you, and the ones that I would pass down to my daughters as well. But if I could say one particular sentence that would explain how one can remain healthy and maintain that glow, which is something which reflects from inside out. And that particular simple statement is that stay happy, be loving, be caring, be forgiving. All these qualities are the ones which will warm your heart, which will help to bring out that happy and healthy glow inside out. It'll give a flush to your cheeks. Loving yourself, taking care of yourself, having a sense of self-worth, all of these are very important. You cannot find happiness externally. You have to find it within yourself. And once you do, it shows because you glow. So if you guys like this video, please comment on your favorite tip, but not before subscribing to SSBeauty YouTube channel, and stay updated on all the latest beauty trends.